Marjorie Westmuller. Mrs. Westmuller.
Tess? Hello?
Uh-oh. Did you forget what time our meeting was?
And why are you in the dark?
Because that's where the magic happens, Margie.
The magic with which
I am going to renegotiate your divorce settlement with stingy old Bernard.
my ex-husband's name is Brian.
Right.
Of course. Anyways.
Have no fear. Fiona is gonna bring you the Benjamins.
Yeah. Are you drunk?
Maybe. But I'm also the best divorce attorney in LA.
So let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we?
Remember when I advised you not to sign his NDA? Remember when you disclosed that Brian had this creative interpretation of corporate tax law?
I'll bet the IRS would be
Stunned to find out that call girls and cocaine were business expenses? Or he could
pay you what you want. So relax, Mrs. Westmuller.
I'm gonna make it rain.